Hey guys, so a lot of you guys are asking me about my RKT position. Currently, I am down 10% or so about $6,500. I have been really thinking about selling at a loss, just taking the $6,500 loss and just putting it into the PLTR dip. Depending on how Monday goes, what the open price is for RKT, if I'm losing anything under than 5K, I might take the loss and I might just throw it into Palantir, I think. I don't know yet for sure, but I have been strongly thinking about just taking the loss on Rocket and going basically not all in, because I'm still going to be holding my big C position, as I do think the breakout is still going to happen within the next week or so. So there's no reason for me to sell big C right now. But yeah, I do think RKT. I don't know, man. It's been a rough ride, dude. Like, I mean, I was up like $30,000 at one point, right at peak on September 2nd. And that was most, I mean, I do think the company is great long term. But short term, there's just too many gains to be had from Palantir or Neo or APXT or Funko or literally any other stock, right now. There's just too much money to be made, and at this point, holding such a big position in RKT is basically keeping me from making money. So I'm really thinking hard about what I should do, but at the same time, I don't want to sell my RKT position and then a week or two later it just fucking skyrockets out of nowhere, right? I am still selling covered calls on RKT every single week. So every single weekly, I'm making about $200, $300, $400, $500 depending on how premium is. But yeah, I am collecting a decent amount of profit just selling calls, out of the money calls, weeklies. So I'm not complaining. This RKT position does bring me anywhere between $200 to $500 a week. So I'm not complaining too much about holding this, and it's that's kind of leveraging my RKT position into other stuff, which lets me play like other calls and stuff, right, or options. So I mean, here's the one that I'm selling right now. Here's the big C. I'm also selling big C for BL. You guys already saw I'm up 76% on this call for Riot, and then PLTR. I am selling calls across my PLTR position. For PLTR, I am holding like 10K. I'm still thinking about adding the RK position, but yeah. As far as Rocket goes, I have been strongly thinking about selling the position. Also, maybe splitting it like 50K into Palantir, and then the other part into APXT. But still thinking about it. If Palantir does see another dip on Monday, I'm going all in 100%, just letting you guys know. So if PLTR on Monday open, it goes down to I forgot what the support I had was for. But if it does shoot down a little bit more and touch support, there's like a 99% chance that I'm going to be selling out of my RKT position and throwing it all into PLTR. But that all depends on Monday. It really depends on Monday. It depends on support. It depends on momentum. Because I know because of the Citron report, they shorted PLTR and it went all the way down. And as of right now, I do think that PLTR is completely oversold. There's no reason for it to drop that much. But yeah. Quick update on the RKT position that I'm holding. Still thinking about buying PLTR and APXT. More than likely PLTR, but we'll see.